You need to establish who your potential customers are and what problem you're going to be solving for them. Otherwise, why are they going to need your product? What's good, everybody? I hope you've all been well. We're back with another video. Now today, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to create a business using the government website. And I'm going to be ending it with giving you my top tips on how to start a business. So make sure you stay until the end. This channel is all about showing you what teachers do not teach you in school. So if that's something that interests you, please make sure that you like, comment and subscribe. And make sure that alarm bell's on as well so you don't miss any more content. Anyways, let's get into this video.
So right now you lot should be able to see my screen, and I'm going to take you step by step how to set up your own company. So you should be on the gov.uk website and then type in set up company. Then click onto the first link, and then right here it's going to show you everything you need to know about setting up your own company. So the first one is talking about what kinds of company you're going to set up. Now, most people, they seem to set up limited by shares company, and that means that each person involved will own a certain percentage of the company. Next is the name that you choose. It is quite tough to get the name that you want, but all you need to do is just play about with it and you should be able to get the name that you want. The next bit is the directors, and this is somebody that has significant control of the company. Next is the shareholder, and this is somebody that owns a certain part of the company or even all of the company. Next is preparing the documents that you need, and this is all done for you if you apply online. And then the next one, these are all the records that you need to keep. Anything that is posted to your house, then make sure you keep that for the records. And the last bit is just registering your company with Companies House. So if you just click onto that link, it will take you to this page here. And what you need to know here is that it costs you £12 to set up a company, and you do need to be 16. Then if you just have a little read of everything, it tells you that you need 3 pieces of personal information before starting. And once you're ready, you just click register now. But if there's anything that you need to know, just make sure you have a good read, because it does give you all the information that you need. Anything you need to know, just click on any of these and it tells you exactly what to do. It's just a shame that in school they don't teach you these things, because if you're taking business studies, you'd think that this is the first thing that they're going to show you. And I took business and I didn't even know about any of this. I had to do it for myself. So people, good luck with sorting out your business. And I'll catch you in the next one.
After seeing my screen, you should have a better understanding of how to start a business. So I want to start off by giving you my top 3 tips on how to start a business. Tip number 1, what service are you actually providing? Is it a need-based or is it just going to be a trend? It's so important that you try to go to something that is a need-based. You don't want to have another pandemic happen and your business is completely wiped out. So many businesses went through phases where their money was completely gone. They had no customers because they weren't in a need-based industry. When starting a business, you want it to be long-lasting. So you need to think, it doesn't matter what's going on, a pandemic, I don't know, anything that's happening in this world, my business will make money. And that will only be through certain things. You need to think about, when your money is really tight, what are the essentials that your family buys? What are the essential things that you need to survive? If you get into something like that, then you're going to be surviving through anything that this world has to offer. That takes me on to my second tip. Do your market research. What problem are you solving within society? You need to establish who your potential customers are and what problem you're going to be solving for them. Otherwise, why are they going to need your product? They might just go to somebody else. You need to be filling in a gap in the market and have a unique selling point. Without that, why are they going to cut off their main supplier to go to you? Why are they going to take your service over somebody that's more well known? You need to be providing something that makes them want to take that risk with you. That might be discounts, that might be trials, anything like that will make them think, all right, let me actually take a leap of faith and go to your business. My last tip is that free value is everything. That's whether you're a content creator, whether you're a business, give out free stuff. When people know that your free stuff is good, when you start to charge for things, they're gonna know that person is gonna give me top quality value, because when they gave me free things, it was great. Sometimes people are so funny about giving free things out, and I'll never understand it. At the end of the day, it's an opportunity for them to trust you. If they get the chance to trust your product, and they're not even spending a penny, then that's a big bonus for you. Because if you was gonna charge, why are they gonna pick you? They have no reason for it. But because you're giving it for free, that's a chance for them to take a risk. And that gives them nothing to lose. When you give free value out, it's so important, because when you start to charge, you're gonna have sales before you've even put out a promotion. So the next time you give something out for free, don't see it as an L, just see it as a way to build trust. And as everybody knows, without trust, there's nothing. I just want to say a massive thank you to anyone that's still watching right now. I really appreciate you, and a massive good luck for your businesses. I hope you got a lot of value from this video, and please make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and make sure that alarm bell's on so you don't miss any more content. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one.